So I kind of feel like I owe you guys an explanation. We have been super busy. I know we haven't made a video in a long time. We actually made videos, but I never actually edited them to put them up for you. So sorry. We will try to do better than that. I do have a lot of, we got a lot of things out of the kiln that are bisques. So now we have some glazing to do, and I will get to that. We'll get to that as soon as we can, and then we'll do a kiln opening video because I know you guys like those. But I am going to go out on a limb here and reward you because I've been so bad about making videos, and I will show you. Some of you have asked for a studio tour, and I said I'd do that as soon as I cleaned up. Well, I didn't clean up, so you get to see what it really looks like all the time. I would love to say that we're clean and neat and we do everything right, but we don't. So I'll show you the studio in all of its messy glory, and y'all give me a shout out in the comments. Let me know what you want to see, what you think, what you know. Just let me know what's going on in your lives, because ours has been crazy a little bit, but it's good to be back. See you guys. This we just pulled out of the bisque, so there's a lot of glazing to be done. We've got a lot of things in the works. This is all Bill's stuff up here. My stuff's down here. This has been the test tiles. This has not been, the most exciting thing in the world to do, but test tiles and some trays, some sgraffito, working on that. Just a lot of little different things coming up. These are a bunch of test tiles again, flat test tiles, more sgraffito stuff, and then, bigger bowls, some more. That was a two-piece vase that Bill did. I was really impressed with that. That looks really good. Some of my other stuff, getting ready for Halloween. And of course, we've got the witches going. So I told you guys about that. The last time I think I told you about that. There's my wizard. Gonna be doing some more of those. What else we got down here? Let's see, there's a whatever you call that, box. It's a box. Yep. And then there are some fails down there. The glaze just didn't do what I wanted it to do, but we'll try to refire that. I don't know, that plate's been refired 3 times, so I'm not really sure that I want to even continue with that anymore. But there's empty kiln, and just to kind of look around the studio, there's more of our test tiles. That's all the kiln shelving. There's the bathroom with, it's a mess. It's a horrible mess. This is Bill's area over here. He is currently not home, so he'll be up here when he gets back home. It's all his stuff. There's our glazes, more glazes. All of the dipping glazes are back all in there and under there, and we got glaze everywhere. Our studio, while it's a great size for us, it's just not big enough, and I'm not sure that anything ever will be big enough. Here's where we keep our clay, and a lot of this is different colored slip for projects that we both do. There's more slip, just some more storage that we've got going on. Bill's throwing area, my throwing area, the one in the middle is kind of what we share. Both times if we ever start doing lessons, this is where we'll do lessons, but it is a hot mess right now. It's awful. I can't believe I'm even showing you this because it's just a really bad shape. Lighting for videos. This used to be where I did a lot of the mixed media stuff and paint, but as you can see, it's kind of been taken over by the pottery as well. The door is a very small door, so you have to duck before you get out of here because we are in a finished attic. A lot of wood stuff that I never have time to do this stuff anymore. There's my slab roller, which is the best thing I think I have ever gotten. It is amazing. It's all my textures and rollers and cutters, and then that's my. I am a very messy potter. So this is my area right now. I'll have to clean that off before I do anything else. But there are my forms and underglazes and all of that. And so that's pretty much it. Can you see the light pulsing back there? That's because I have the washing machine on. That's not good. But electricians have checked it out. It's fine, and the kiln is wired properly, so we're good to go. But anyway, so there's that. We will see you guys. I don't know, next time. Thanks.